Hello, my name is Jorge Bermeo. I'm a veterinarian from the University of Chile. Since my undergrad days, I've been interested in the dairy field. That path brought me here to UC Davis, where I'm currently a student for a PhD in the animal biology credit group. And this summer, I had the opportunity to work with nutritionists, dairy experts, and researchers. It was an experience that allowed me to see firsthand how science connects to everyday challenges of farms. Well, a little bit about my experience. This project highlighted how important it is to take complex ideas and make them clear and useful for farmers and workers. I work under the guidance of Dr. Rubia Branco Lopez and Dr. Noelia Silva del Rio, and their mentorship gave me the confidence to grow both as a researcher and a communicator. I reinforced the idea that science is not just about the data, it's about building trust and sharing knowledge in ways that make sense for the people who use it. We currently are focusing on magnesium, essential nutrient for cows. I work on a newsletter article to share complex scientific knowledge about magnesium, factors that affect its solubility, and how this has an impact on their health. I learned that in order to have a positive impact on the dairy community, bilingual communication skills are important. This way, we can be sure information reaches both English and Spanish speaking farmers and workers. Additionally, we prepare practical how-tos and extension video to explain how, through the vinegar test, farmers can screen one of the most widely used supplemental sources, that is, magnesium oxide. The idea is that they can choose the best. The vinegar test is a quick, simple, and affordable test that farmers can perform in the field. These tests show which ones are more soluble, therefore better for the herd's health, because they are going to be easy to be absorbed by the cow. So this particular part helped me to create informative and easy to follow educational material, as you can see on the screen. And beyond the test itself, more than the numbers, it was about learning how to bridge the gap between the lab and the farm. And finally, what I'm taking with me this summer is the need for me to be a better writer and communicator, to be focused on the person who will thread the work, and to translate science into real world impact. It reminded me that the most valuable part of research isn't just the results, it's how you share them and who you share them with. And for that, I'm grateful to Dr. Ruby and Dr. Noali. They guide me through this month of work. And also, I'm grateful to the Summer Immersion Program for the opportunity to keep developing those skills. I'm excited to keep moving forward and bringing science and practice closer together. Thank you.